Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the statement made by the Energy Minister on the power situation in the state is in fact a progress report on the functioning of this sector in the 2.5 years of TRS government in the Telangana states. Sir, to begin with, I compliment the Honorable Chief Minister Saab for his measures in tackling the power situation effectively in the newly formed state. The state has faced severe power cuts during summer 2014, but the situation has improved with almost hassle-free supply during the summers in 2015 and 16. At the same time, I would also compliment the Power Minister, the Power Department, and all the officials also involved. The state has been able to overcome the severe power shortage with the capacity addition of almost 2,000 megawatts and the Kakatiya thermal power project and Singareni power project and Jurula hydel project. So though the Energy Minister has stated that there have been no official power cuts in the state since 20th of November 2014 for any category of consumer, but our experience shows that unofficial power cuts are still happening in the city. And also, sir, I would also like to bring to the kind notice of the Honorable Power Minister is that, sir, the demand for the last 2 years is there. I agree the demand is also increasing. But the demand never reached its real peak due to severe drought situation and also due to the water table level had gone down. And now after a very good monsoon, the water table has risen. And it has risen. The demand of the farmers, I would like to also come on record and say that our farming sector is mostly dependent on the pumps. ये पंप्स इस्तेमाल नहीं हुए थे क्योंकि पानी नहीं था जमीन में. इस वजह से आपको मैं ये जरूर कहूंगा कि बहुत बड़ी मदद हुई कि वाटर टेबल नीचे था. आज बारिश हुई है, वाटर टेबल ऊपर हुआ है, लेकिन एक और मदद आपके पास आ गई है डीमोनेटाइजेशन की वजह से कि किसान सीड नहीं खरीद सका, किसान सीड डाल नहीं सका और टोटल जो हमारा जो जमीन है जहां पे ज़राअत होती है वो भी कम हो गई. बट फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर आई एम श्योर इफ वी हैव अ गुड मानसून and the effect of demonetization is brought under control, then the demand is going to increase. So the question which needs to be answered and understand is that when then the demand would increase, will we be able to cope up the situation? This is an important aspect which we need to look into it, sir. Sir, before I discuss the other aspects of our sector in the state, I would like to draw the attention of the Energy Minister to a concern with regards to the power supply in twin cities of Hyderabad, Secunderabad, particularly in the southern and western parts of the cities. So the consumers of Telangana may have received relief from frequent power cuts in the past 2 years, but there have been no respite from supply disruption because of transformers breakdown, among other causes. So nearly 1.5 lakh consumers have been affected due to such problems, and the Telangana Southern Power Distribution Company Limited has been flooded with as many as 10 lakh complaints in the past 2 years. If I am wrong, I may be corrected in this, sir. So the Southern Discom, whose jurisdiction extends from Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Nalgonda, Mahbubnagar, Siddipet, Medak district, receive more complaints from all cities, sir. Sir, in an annual revenue requirement ARR report, the distribution company admitted that there was a rise in number of power breakdowns in the past 2 years. According to officials, the breakdowns were more at the 11 kV substations and power supply to consumers, while 7,768 breakdowns were reported in 2015 and 16. The number of breakdowns reported in the first half of 2016 and 17 was 6,518. Even the number of consumers affected due to various distribution problems, the South Zone stood on the top with 11.48 lakhs affected consumers. 11.5 लाख साहब, 11.5 लाख affected consumers सिर्फ South Zone में थे, और ये South Zone हमारे Old City Hyderabad का है. And more the reason for that, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that we have 100 kVA transformers. Sir, on 100 kVA transformers, we can accommodate, I might be wrong, I'm not a technical person, but what I was made to be known is that on 100 kVA transformers, we can have some 100 consumers connections. But in Old City, we have more than 200 consumers on 100 kV transformers. And what happens is that, sir, कि वो गर्म होने लगता है. जैसे वो गर्म होने लगता है, उसको बंद कर देते हैं साहब. 2 घंटे लगते हैं उसको ठंडा होने के लिए. और जब when it cools down, they restart that. Again after 6 hours of continuous supply on that transformer, again वो गर्म हो जाता है. फिर उसको 2 घंटे बंद कर देते हैं. So this is the situation which is happening. Sir, what we need to do to tackle the situation is that we need to have new transformers. Not only just new transformers. When we demand for a new transformers, a complicated situation arises where everybody wants a continuous power supply, but nobody wants a transformer in front of their residence or in front of their locality. Sir, what we could do is that we could enhance the existing transformers of 100 kVA to 200 or more than 200 on the same places. But this has not been done. We have been repeatedly requesting for this one particular demand, and this has not been attended as yet, sir. Sir, again, and also, sir, the problem according to the experts is distribution companies have not been spending enough money on improvement of infrastructure for the past few years. The DISCOM hiked power tariff very often and also collected fuel charges earlier, but they did not bother to improve the things by replacing old lines and transformers to reduce the burden on the existing feeder. Mr. Venugopal Rao, convener of Central for Power Studies, had said this. So I'm just bringing this to your kind notice, sir. And one more thing, sir, which always has been said, is that in Old City, there is power theft. And in Old City, they say that people do not make the payment. Sir, as far as this month is concerned, because of demonetization, the collection revenues, I would like the Honorable Minister to say that many sectors have been affected, but as far as power sector for this month has been in a very good shape, I would say. Just in and around Rangareddy, sir, more, whatever the collections are, 50 crores of more money has been paid by the people, sir. And as far as Old City is concerned, sir, Old City in this month have touched 130% of revenue collections, power. So when the money is there, kindly spend that money is my request. जब पैसा आए तो पैसे को खर्चिए साहब. लोग आके डालते थे, तो अब आया है तो इसको we should spend, and we should see that the power crisis, the power problem which is there in that poorest of the poor area should be tackled, sir. Sir, I'm also sorry to point out that the TSSP DCL has not taken up a single work for underground cabling for the last 2 years, sir. The existing 11 kV underground cables were laid years ago, and they are presently being underutilized for the reason they have multiplied cable joints. The same cables with number of joints are in service in the Old City, sir. For example, sir, the 11 kV 185 square millimeters ground cable can be a max load of 170 to 180 amps under healthy and new condition, but the same cable with multiple joints would be having a current capacity, carrying capacity of only 90 to 100 amps. Is it right or wrong? If I'm wrong, I will be corrected again, sir. Sir, all the age-old kV underground cables with multiple joint needs to be replaced immediately. Requirement is 100 kilometers in Old City. Example, in Chandrayana substation, sir, 8 numbers of underground cable are existing. In the month of November 2015, there were no supply continuously for 18 hours because of cable failures, sir. 18 hours, sir. Continuously there was no supply. Like 3 days back, sir. Again, 7 hours we didn't have power supply in Old City. This is the real situation, sir. Mandi Miralam area, Mogalpura area, Malakpet area. 7 hours, sir. Late in the night at 12 o'clock, I had to call SC. I spoke to him. Then he said, we have this problem, sir. This is the major problem. We'll attend it. And at 2 o'clock in the night, again, we had power and we had current, sir. So this is the problem which we need to understand, sir. And also, sir, the major problem in Old City is that, sir, in order to cater the peak summer demand, the enhancement for all 8 MVA power transformers in all 33 by 11 kV substation is necessary, sir. And a peak load of 300 amps to 33 kV side and unscheduled load relief power cut for 1 hour above is due to overload, which I had earlier said. So we need to see this, sir. And also, sir, hence the enhancement of all power transformers from 8 MVA to 12 MVA needs to be effected immediately before the end of January 2017. In the name of load relief, power cuts are being imposed for hours and people are suffering, sir. And also, sir, I would like to say that examination season is coming, sir. Students would be preparing for their exams. In Old City, sir, because of the fees reimbursement and scholarship and awareness, many children want to get educated. They are coming forward. So we need to see that the power supply is uninterrupted, not only, I would say, just in Old City, but in Hyderabad city, in entire state, sir. All our children will be going for the examinations. तो उनके एग्जाम्स के वक्त उनके प्रिपरेशन में कोई तकलीफ ना हो, ऐसी चीज हमको करना चाहिए साहब, और इस पर जो भी जरूरी इक़दामात करने वो करने चाहिए जिसके जरिए तालीम पे कोई असर ना हो, सर. और सर, and when I talk about this examination and also about the students' preparation for examination, sir, through you, I would like to bring to the kind notice of the government and the power minister, sir. Sir, many schools in state of Telangana do not have power. The power has been cut because they have not paid the bill. Sir, kindly, government schools I'm saying, government schools. Sir, kindly I request, at least for this 3 months, till the examinations are finished, kindly just give them the power. बिजली दे दीजिए वापस उनको. 3 महीने के बाद जो कार्रवाई करना है करिए. I have the list, I don't want to go into the details, sir. कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस को आप रिलीफ दिए, कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस के पैसों को माफ करें, कितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस के सरचार्ज को माफ करें आप. आई हैव द एंटायर लिस्ट. तो आप ये स्कूल्स को करिए, इससे बच्चों की तालीम पे एक अच्छा होगा. एक मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है. सो द टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर LT is 70 square millimeter cable for narrow lanes of Old City, sir, was approximately 200 kilometers. But despite repeated demands, the officials have allotted only a meager 25 kilometers to Old City. And this demand is pending for the last 2.5 years. I request that kindly look into this, sir. And also, not a single improvement work has been taken up under the improvement since April 2016, sir. So officials are always saying that non-availability of budget as a reason. Now the budget is there. Paisa bhi hai. Kindly give that, sir. So my party, MIM, have always demanded for enhancement of LT distributed transformers. And once again, not a single transformer has been enhanced from 314 kVA to 500 kVA or 160 kVA to 315 kVA, sir. Sir, the TSS PDCL is only interested in procuring 100 kVA new transformers, sir. Why are they not procuring the other transformers is the question, sir. Kindly give them instructions, sir, to procure the 315 kVA, 500 kVA or 160 kVA to 315 kVA transformers. This is very important. They are not doing this procurement, sir. And because of that, we are not able to replace and enhance, sir. So severe problems are faced by the people of Old City during the holy month of Ramzan also, sir. And earlier this year, many power cuts had happened, sir. And Honorable President of my party, Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi Saab, had also made a representation. He went and met also. But still, the problems are still there. I hope that now these problems will be attended. And 100 kVA transformer is capable, I have already said, sir, on emergency. Sir, and when I talk about these transformers, sir, I have been repeatedly requesting, sir, that we need a transformer repair shed in Old City. Sir, when a transformer breaks down, the transformer goes to Erragada for repair. And it takes weeks and many days for that transformer to get repaired and come back to Old City. Why can't we have a transformer repair shed in Old City? For that, I have met the Honorable Collector, allotted the land also. In spite of land being allotted, why the work is not started there is a question mark. If the transformer shed is there in Old City, immediate repair works can be taken up. This is very important, sir, and I hope this will also be addressed, sir.
Please,
So there is no...
Please conclude.
Sir, I'm just finishing, sir. Hardly 3 to 4 minutes, sir. So 133 kVA substation sanctioned from last 2 years in Ballagoda. अब तक उसका काम नहीं शुरू हुआ, सर. 2 साल हो गए सैंक्शन दिए पावर मिनिस्टर साहब, लेकिन हुआ नहीं, साहब. साहब, ये मिधानी बस डिपो कंचनबाग के पास है. 133 kVA के लिए मैं बार बार रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूं. उम्मीद करता हूं कि ये मिधानी के पीछे लैंड भी दे चुके हैं, वहां पर भी नहीं हुआ, साहब. ये गौस नगर में 33 kVA का है, उसके लिए भी दिए, वो भी नहीं हुआ है, सर. सर, 1 acre ऑफ लैंड IS सदन पे दिए, बाउंड्री वॉल उठाया गया 33 kVA की लाइन के लिए, वो भी नहीं हुआ, सर. और मेजर प्रॉब्लम जो ओल्ड सिटी में है, साहब, ये 33 kV के लाइंस घरों के ऊपर से जाते हैं, साहब. उसके लिए वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एन एस्टीमेट फॉर मेट्रो जोन, रंगारेड्डी जोन. मतलब कि पूरा हैदराबाद हाईटेक सिटी भी अगर आप लेंगे तो टोटल जो एक्सपेंडिचर आएगा सिर्फ ये घरों के ऊपर से जाने वाले वायर का 248. इसको इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में थोड़ा रिलीज करिए. इसको अगर रिलीज करेंगे आप, इसके जरिए कुछ काम कर सकते हैं, सर. पेटला बुरुज में भी लैंड दिया गया, लेकिन लैंड देने के बाद भी आज तक भी पेटला बुरुज में काम स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वहां पर भी काम को शुरू करें, साहब. ये मोहम्मद नगर में ईदी बाजार में रेलवे ट्रैक के पास I had gone to the collector, got an order. The land has been given 2 acres of land for a 33 kVA transformer. आज तक भी वहां पे काम शुरू नहीं हुआ. गौस नगर में भी है, नहीं हुआ, साहब. Bunch cable we need, sir. Bunch cable needs to be supplied to the department. 20 kilometers are required only for Chandrayaan Gutta. 100 kilometers देंगे आप old city को, at least for now. We can do something. Kishan Bagh mein, sir. Sir, through you, I would like to request Honorable Municipal Administration Minister Saab, sir. Is that, sir, myself and my brother and a party president, Barrister Asodin Owaisi Saab, had met Honorable Chief Minister Saab. He had promised and said that कि किशन बाग में GHMC की लैंड है, वो 132 kVA सबस्टेशन के लिए देंगे. सर, 1 साल हो गया, साहब, नहीं दिए. Honorable Minister for Municipal Administration is here. Through you, I would like to request to him to kindly make a note of this. किशन बाग में अगर दे दिए तो ये वहां पर भी काम शुरू हो सकता है, सर. So the Energy Minister has also stated the power utilities have reduced, sir, transmission and distribution losses by 1%, staggering the loads to 24 hours of the day, increase the generation through power plants, sir. Sir, made short-term power purchase agreement purchase from power exchange. These measures have led to substantial improvement in power supply in the state, sir. The Energy Minister has also spelled out the measures for augmentation of thermal power capacity by 5,800 megawatts at a cost of 37,600 crores and strengthening the transmission and distribution network in the state at an investment of 42,000 crores.
Please
however,
conclude,
this is, sir, I'm finishing, sir. Just 2 minutes, sir. Sir, however, there is an urgent need for completing the work relating to 400 kVA ring system around GHMC area by erecting 400 kV lines and setting up 6 number of 220 kV substations in twin cities, sir. Sir, all MIM legislatures have met. The chairman Raghuram Reddy Saab and other top officials, we have discussed, sir, about establishment of new 220 kV, 132 kV, 33 by 11 kV substation. We had also discussed about augmentation and transmission, sir. I would like to point that improvement of power supply is needed, and it has been done. But at the same time, sir, I once again request a meeting can be called of Old City Legislature so that personally we can meet them, sir. And in my concluding paragraph, sir, I would like to conclude by saying that in the past 2 years, sir, the power tariff has been hiked 2 times. From April 1st, 2015, the power tariff has been hiked by 4.42% of the consumers with consumption of about 200 units per month. The power tariff hike affected the consumers steeply as they had to shell out additional 816 crores on the new tariff during financial year 2015 and 16. Again, with effect from July 1st, 2016, the power tariff was hiked by 7.5%, placing an additional burden of 1,527 crores on consumers, and only those consuming less than 100 units per month have been spared from the hike, sir. If we have to calculate this, sir, the total hike has been 1,343 crores, sir. And once again, the third power tariff, since the formation of Telangana state is on the cards, the 2 power distribution companies are proposing a tariff hike to place an additional burden of 2,000 crores from the consumers during the forthcoming financial year of 2017 and 18, sir. So DISCOM have already filled their annual revenue requirement of the state Electricity Regulatory Commission, sir. And if we have to see this 3 enhancements, sir, it will be 4,343, sir. I conclude with a request to the government to not to impose the 3rd power tariff hike on the consumers as they are already affected badly by the earlier 2 hikes, sir. Thank you very much.
मैं बार बार यही कह रहा हूं साहब, मैं आपकी तायद, किसी की तायद आप नहीं कर रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं साहब, लेकिन मैं तो आपकी तायद कर रहा हूं। आप मेरी भी तायद नहीं कर रहे हैं क्या बताइए? मैं कहा कि आप बीजेपी की वकालत कर रहे हैं, मैं ये बात बोला साहब मैं।